Hey, good morning. Today I'm at the Ventura Harbor Wetlands Ecological Reserve, where I have set 7 different types of icons. Today we're going to go look at a few. And if that sounds like fun or interesting to you, come join me. The Adventure Lab starts right here at the gate where we've already triggered the geofencing. But this is not where the answers are. Instead, we have to follow a short video that will take us where we can find the information we need. So let's get going. The video takes us to this artwork where we'll be able to get the information we need for the first location of the Adventure Lab. But this is also the start of the Where I Go. It's a actual Where I Go, not a reverse Where I Go, where we will gather information on this artwork to answer 8 different questions, and when we're done we'll be able to get the coordinates for the final. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so I was able to answer all questions, got the coordinates to the final, not too far from here. So let's go ahead and I'll show you where that is. Do you see it? It blends in really well, but it's there. So let's go do the letterbox. Letterbox description tells you to start at the artwork. Take the trail until it moves to the left. So let's do that. And then it's going to ask me to look for a sign with 2 words on it. Alright, here's our sign, and when we put in the 2 words into certitude, we'll get the coordinates for the final. It's a nice view, but we're going to go ahead and continue to our final. Alright, come in here and already checked. It's there. So I think let's just take a walk and go look at the ocean. Our brown pelicans, almost once extinct because of DDT softening their shells, but they've made a nice comeback. Alright, just a beautiful day at the beach, beautiful day for a walk. So rather than go back that way to get to the traditional, I think we might as well just make the whole loop make it a figure 8. So let's head on that direction. Hey, to get to the traditional, we have to get off the trail a little bit, and so it's really neat. They're putting up these bird houses, but we didn't hide on the birdhouse. Instead, we left the bison tube right in there. You see it? Well, that makes number 4. All right, at this point, we have started an adventure lab, completed a Where I Go, a Letterbox, and a traditional. We have 3 more to go, but I'm going to do that on another video. So at this point, I'm going to tell you, thanks for joining me.